How to log out of Messenger. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Messenger application. After that, from your top left corner, go to the menu bar. Now, go to the gear icon settings. Scroll all the way down and then go to Account Center. You should see logout options somewhere right here. But if you do not, simply go to switch account and then simply go to log in to another account. And in this way, you will be able to log out of Messenger. Next way is simply go to settings, then go to apps. After that, locate Messenger application. Then go to its app info, go to the storage section and then tap on clear data. This will remove all the accounts in your Messenger. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.